Good day. Can you find the square of this number in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. Our first example is a number which is close to the base, but it is lacking a few units. Let us take an example, 97. 97 is deficient of 3 from the base 100. Then we will subtract the deficiency from that number. 97 minus 3 is equal to 94. On this side, we will square the deficiency. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. We will then write 0, 9. Hence, the final answer is 9,409. Let's take another example. This time it has an excess of the base. 105 has an extra 5 units. The extra 5 will be added to 105 to make 110. At the other end, the extra 5 is squared to make it 25, and the final answer is 11,025. Good day. Can you find the square of this number in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. Our first example is a number which is close to the base, but it is lacking a few units. Likewise, that deficiency is more than 1 digit. Let's take, for example, 88. 88 is close to base 100 by 12 units. Next step is to subtract 12 from 88. The difference is 76. Let us write 76 temporarily. Since the deficiency is already known, we will square 12. 12 times 12 is equal to 144, and we will write under the hundreds place. Now we get the final answer. The final answer is 7,744. Another example is a number close to the base with extra digits, but this time it is more than 1 digit. Like, for example, in 115, there are 15 units more than the base 100. This will be added to 115, so 115 plus 15 is equal to 130. On the other side, we will compute for the square of 15, which is 225. We will write 225 under the hundreds place. Now we will get the final answer. Final answer is 13,225. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.